Hello everyone, hi Gemini, welcome back to our channel. This is February mid-month reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see, Gemini, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Gemini 8 sign, what are the messages for you? Queen of Swords, Page of Wands and Two of Cups. Everything is about communication. King of Swords, Page of Pentacles and Nine of Wands. Six of Swords. I think there is some communication is going to be happen between you and your person. Maybe you will get clarity. They want to fix the things between both of you. But for some, maybe very few, you decided to move on from this person because Six of Swords moving towards calm water. Because maybe it is temporary because you're still confused because the Hangman energy. Okay, let's see. Then we will get more clarity what's going. So recent past, Queen of Swords, Page of Wands and Two of Cups. There is love. In past, it was mutual. Two of Cups is there. And Queen of Swords, maybe it could be you. You want the best in everything because you deserve best. Everyone deserve best. And Page of Wands. Maybe there is some communication was happened between both of you. You want clarity from your person, you want commitment. There is love, but there is no clarity and commitment what I'm getting here. And Page of Wands, maybe one person is younger than the other person in this connection. Maybe one person is very good looking and attractive. Yeah, there is no clarity. That's why maybe you cut off your person even though you have emotions for you. Then present King of Swords, Page of Pentacles and Nine of Wands. Again, maybe they're coming back with an apology because Page of Pentacles. Message, communication and apology. They want to express their feelings. It could be your person. I think you both are equal, like power wise, because Queen of and King of Swords, you both are powerful couple. And yeah, they're really coming back to express their feelings, but you guarded up. It's you, Nine of Wands. You are protecting your heart. Maybe you are hiding your feelings. You are not showing them. Future, Wheel of Fortune, the Magician and the Hanged Man. Yeah, your things are turning out into your favor, Gemini, and you are in magician energy. Maybe your person manifesting you back. They're trying to manifesting you back if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. But Nine of Wands with the Hanged Man, you are in some type of confusion. You are not getting any clarity about this person, about this connection. That's why you are holding back. You are not showing your emotions. But slowly things are turning out into your favor. You will manifest everything in your life. You will manifest money, love, career, whatever. But it will, very slowly it will improve. Your situation will improve slowly because right now you are in stuck right now. And some spiritual awakening is also going. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get clear picture what's going between you and your person. Yeah, they're coming back to work on this relationship. Three of Pentacles, reconciliation. I think there is no partnership between both of you. There is no equal give and take in past. That's why the apology, communication, message. So let's see your person current feelings, Gemini, towards you. The Moon, Three of Swords and Ace of Cups. Yeah, maybe after the separation they are now realizing your worth because Ace of Cups, their love towards you is overflowing. Still there is something mysterious in this connection. The Moon, maybe they are hiding something from you. You came to know about them. Three of Swords, they're heartbroken. They're missing you so much. See, but still they have love for you. Maybe they are realizing your worth now, Gemini. And Emperor, maybe your person have some ego problems also. For some, it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or state. Their actions, they are in so much pain. 3 of Swords with 10 of Swords. My God. The Sun. You are their happiness. Now they came to know about that. You are their happiness. You are their sunshine. And they really want to work on this relationship. Yeah, because the Sun with 10 of Swords, they want rebirth in this connection. Maybe they're scared that you are not going to give any chance. But love is mutual. 2 of Cups is there in past. But it's up to you. They are willing to come back. They really want to work on this relationship. That's why they are coming back with communication. They want to express their true feelings to you, Gemini. They really want to work on this relationship. Spying, stalking, they may be watching on you. And 8 of Pentacles. It is slow but stable. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. You are their happiness. You are their sunshine. See, 6 of Cups. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. First card is 6 of Cups. They want reconciliation. They're thinking about you a lot. Gemini, your person thinking about you a lot. Knight of Wands and 2 of Wands. I already told you they're thinking about you a lot, and this could be long distance. They're very attracted to you, and there is a lot of attraction between both of you, and they want reconciliation. You both have, maybe you both could be soulmates, or you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. They're feeling, now they're realizing everything. Yeah, they really want to offer this cup of love to you. Yeah, I think there will be, for some there will be reconciliation, but it is very slow moving energy, because right now you also stuck, your person also feeling 10 of Swords energy. They are also coming back very slowly, taking things slowly. Queen of Cups, you also have strong emotions for your person. King of Cups, Queen of Cups. Again, see, there is some energy changing, because when you both are in King of Swords and Queen of Swords. Now you both will become Queen of Swords and King, because emotions are rising high, very high. Then there will be some communication. You both will communicate. Then there will be reconciliation. Ace of Wands, passionate new beginnings. Yeah, I'm seeing reconciliation. Lot of you guys for you. Yeah, it will take some time, because you both, I think your person also right now heartbroken. You also feeling stuck. That's why, see, under the deck, 4 of Wands, celebration, reconciliation, happiness is coming. But patience is the key here, because 10 of Wands energy both are in right now. I think you both have to work on this relationship. Definitely some work is needed here, because something is causing resistance in this connection. See, 4 of Cups. Definitely there is missed opportunity with each other, but stability is coming. 10 of Pentacles. I think in past there is no stability. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your overall energy, Gemini. 7 of Wands. You won't give up on them, or they won't give up on you. You still have strong emotions. Spying, stalking. Yeah, your wishes are going to be granted. So let's see their overall energy, your person overall energy. Yeah, communication message. They want brand new beginnings with you. They want to take leap of faith. This love is mutual. Definitely 2 of Cups. There is mutual love between both of you, and this could be soulmate connection. Yeah, they won't give up on you. I think you both won't give up on each other. What I'm getting here, you both got same cards. I think there is some work is needed in this connection, because partnership is always have to work each other, because if there is continuous or consistent work towards each other, then the relationship will grow. Otherwise, one will become more, or one will become, if one person give more, the other person is not giving, then there is difference between them. Will come, definitely difference between will come between both of you. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you. Communication is key. See, everything is about communication. Definitely they are coming back to communicate with you. I already told you, and it is the message from universe. Communication is the key. So be careful while talking to your person and express your feelings with love. Okay. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.